Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are talking about the Walgreens preview for the week of July the 14th to the 20th. In this ad, we have some new deals and some fantastic ones, including a $2 Dove body wash and a freebie. But first off, if you check your digital coupons folder at the very top, we have this booster, an 8-back when you spend $40. I think a couple of you also got like an 8-back when you spend $35, but this is the one that I got. And also carrying on into this week, this is an online booster only. It's a 5-back when you spend $20 on selected P&G products, and that is valid right through Saturday the 20th. So if you didn't use this one, you have the opportunity to use it this week as well. And it's a one-time use. Both of them are a one-time use. So the digital boosters, again, you would find them for all the new couponers out there at the top of your digital coupons folder. The more that you spend, the more of these boosters that you receive, and they're always your mileage may vary. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, July the 14th. I really encourage you to read in the comments of this video and my haul video on Sunday. Are register rewards printing? Are the digital coupons coming off? The last couple of weeks, a couple of us have had a calamity of errors where things are just not working out, and then Monday everything magically works. So I would really recommend to read the comments of all videos. Say you're in Rhode Island and other shoppers in Rhode Island are sharing information. Just be mindful of that. It might help you out. And then Sunday has been tricky. We'll keep it nice and just say it's been tricky. Okay, friends, and if you're catching this video on Friday the 12th, today is the last day to get an 11 by 14 poster for $1.99 using the code Cool Poster, exactly as pictured on screen, and that is one per account. And Friday the 12th is the last day to get that coupon code to work, pour vous. But if you want a beautiful poster, that is your opportunity. Also, I wanted to point this out for a lot of us that were rocking and rolling the P&G deals earlier in the week. If you look at the expiry date of this one, which is a 5-back on P&G products, it expires on Saturday the 13th. So that is a very quick turnaround. If you might have received one of them, spend it before Saturday because you don't want this thing to expire. That's money. I don't think any of us are in a place to just throw $5 away. It's not carrying over into next week. So be very mindful. Get to Walgreens, grab one of those $5.49 Tides and pay 49 cents. Just make something small happen. Don't let this thing expire. We dive into the deals, if you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it really helps out me and the channel. If you could take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Back to a detergent deal, we have the Arm & Hammer for $1.99. This usually includes the pods, the scent boosters, and the liquid, so whichever one you want. If you're a newer couponer, I would probably grab 5 for $9.95 and throw in $10 in Walgreens cash, non-booster deal, and just call it a really good item to stock up your stockpile, especially for new couponers. The next deal that we're looking at, and I love this deal, it is with the Dove body wash for $7, and we have a 7 off 2 digital coupons starting on Sunday, $3 register reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these body washes, it's going to be $14. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back that $3 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but $2 for this body wash, yes please, and thank you so much. That is a deal. Now we have this reasonable deal, BOGO 50% off on Gillette and Venus disposable razor, $5 reward when you spend $15 or more. Grabbing one of the men's and women's disposable razors at $8 and some change, BOGO 50% off, that's $12.73. Scan these 2 first, and then a Gillette Simply for $3.79. So that's your $15 mark right there. Subtracting $3 coupons off of each, that's $9 coming off. You're going to pay $7.52 out of pocket plus your tax. Get back a $5 register reward, making it like $2 and some change for the 3, which is a really good stock up price for these razors. As the word spend is in there, I would use my debit card for the balance. Don't roll Walgreens cash because there have been so many goofy things going on with register rewards not printing. disappointing because it does say spend. I know customer service would love to say, that's why you didn't receive it. So just be smart. I would maybe throw this one in with a booster deal, like, the spend 40, get back 8. We're looking at the Head and Shoulders for $6. We have a 4 off. Is it 4 off 2 or is it 4 off 3? We don't know. And a $3 reward when you buy 2. It's usually a 4 off a 2. So we'll have to wait and see for that one on Sunday. But grabbing 2 of these for $12, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $8. Get back a $3 register reward. So it makes it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but $2.50 per shampoo, that's typically a price. So I think we're going to have a 4 off 2 digital on Sunday, but double, triple check. We also have the Oral-B and Crest products at $3, which will be free. So grabbing 2 of the Oral-B brushes is the easiest item to find. That's $3 for this scenario. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $3, get back a $3 register reward, making it free. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster as well. Okay, so now we're looking at the Colgate Optic White for $4.50, the dental care products at $4.50. So grabbing 2 of these for $9. We had a digital coupon, a 4 off 2. It's still valid till the 21st, so utilizing that, you're going to pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But what a little deal to get these products for 50 cents a pop. Not the worst. For all the parents out there, we have the Pampers for 2 for $21. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon and then a $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of those bags for $21, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $18. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $14 for the 2 or 7 per bag. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, this deal is back, the 4 for $10. And if you look at the first product that's listed, it's the Dawn dish soap. Pay attention, guys. The last time this was around about 2 weeks ago, the 4 for $10, these larger 22 ounces were part of it in apple or the original scent. And if you see 22 fluid ounces, those are massive, massive Dawns for $2.50. I would definitely grab 4 for $10, use a register reward or Walgreens cash or a combination and stock up. $2.50 for this dish soap is unheard of. If you remember a couple months back, we were getting it for 74 cents every other week for the smaller ones. That's no longer such a thing. So I would definitely stock up, and you're not doing this with a booster if you're using Walgreens cash. Just be mindful of that. But these larger bottles for that cost is definitely time to stock up. Okay, so this deal is back. It's been actually a month-long deal for the $5.49 laundry care products by P&G, and then you get back a $5 register reward. If you look at the bottom right-hand corner, see how it says good through July 27th? So that deal is happening again next week. Actually, the next 2 weeks. Grabbing 4 of these products for $21.96. I think we're getting some new digital coupons on Sunday because a lot are expiring. So subtracting 5, it's usually $5 for the 4. You'll pay $16.96 and get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but what a fantastic little deal. And the final deal that I have for you guys is with the Olay body wash or Old Spice. You pick. I know some of you would rather buy Olay than Dove any day of the week. I'll go with whatever's cheapest myself. But grabbing 3 of these, it's $21. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3 or $3.66 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now we're very quickly going to go through some honorable mentions. The first one to note is the candy corn's back. So if this is your thing, you love everything in this spooky, scary season, including candy corn, be on the lookout for that at Walgreens. It's back in stock in July, Halloween in July. And the next product that we're looking at is the buy one, get 2 for free on the complete home storage bags. So it basically is $2.79 for the 3 or 93 cents per box of 20. Fantastic stock up price. And with that in mind, we also have $1.99 trash bags. by Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand. These are very good trash bags. I definitely stock up on those as well. And then we have the $5.49 for the Bounty and Charmin, and then a $3 register reward when you buy 3. I'm wondering if there might be a higher digital coupon to accompany that. And then also, Scott, there's supposed to be $1 or some sort of digital coupon to go with. I don't think it's the IVC or the store coupon. When they say clip coupon, it's probably some sort of manufacturer. So we'll have to wait and see what that is, and definitely stock up again. And then we also have the Nice brand selected nuts for $2.98, and cashews are often part of that, which are really expensive lately. So definitely a stock up price. In case you missed it, on Thursday I made a video where I was able to track down $2 Charmin essentials at Office Max or Office Depot. If you might have that specific store in your town, it might be worth checking out this video. I know a lot of you scored really big with that information. It's like unadvertised deal, but $2 for a product that's usually $7.99, it's definitely stocking up for $2. I will leave the video linked right here with all the information, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.